A wealth transfer plan guides the movement of your assets from your estate to your beneficiaries. Baby boomers are already in the throes of the most significant wealth transfer in history. Over the next 25 years, they are expected to leave $68 trillion in wealth to their heirs. But you don't need to be older to need a wealth transfer plan, nor do you need a large estate. Here's a look at the steps you should take to start your wealth transfer plan today. Review your assets. The first step when building a wealth transfer plan is to take stock of your assets. Next, list hard assets such as real estate and other valuable items you own. Write a will. A will is a legal document that sets your wishes down in writing and ensures your assets are transferred to the people and organizations you choose. Check your beneficiaries. Money from retirement plans, like life insurance policies and other accounts, will go to those listed as beneficiaries on the accounts, regardless of what your will says. Understand estate taxes. If you have a vast estate, consider gifting to reduce its size and taxes that you owe. Even if your estate is well under the exemption threshold, tax-free gifting can be a way to see the effect your bequest has on the lives of your heirs while you are here. Keep key people informed. Make sure anyone assigned a unique role in your estate is aware of their full responsibilities. You may also want to talk to your heirs about your wishes and how you arrived at your decisions. Making your plans known can head off potential conflicts among your heirs further down the road. The intersection of financial, legal, and family issues can make wealth transfer a complicated matter, but a well-crafted plan can help ensure the process goes smoothly. Enlist your financial and legal advisor's help to build a sound plan that ensures your wishes will be honored. We welcome you to reach out as you consider how your wealth will be transferred.